Because we only bedroom life in
And life in yakho, you don't know that freedom.
Sure, when
Only
we
one.
le dining room.
Only dining room.
Ish.
Bakhile bele ukokote uma ubuye late. So now that freedom of having your
Mawubambile bele uboleke room. Oh, thina masala kagogo dabi crasher belu. Oh, ilezi profit bekaringa ngaso. Mina mangipush imoto yesitini nopush ikare remote.
Mangithenga kwa emakuleni ngihlangana nomzali wakhe. And angakathengi nangilo mzali. Sengithenga ama chippies. Mina bengifuna ukwa.
So tell me ngisakhuluma ngokunikeza abantu ama flowers abo. Kunento ohlala uyenza sikhulume ngayo last time no Shimi. What motivates you to black people?
Mujapilo no JP Forest phakathi kweQuantum sirenga wonke umzansi boy isukile boy.
Let's go right to the sound of good times.
Another day, another dollar, another podcast, another episode, another opportunity to inspire and transform lives. $8 Shopfero, welcome to another exciting episode of the Quantum Podcast. I-podcast yasekasi, i-podcast yomphakathi, i-podcast yabantu, i-podcast yomhlaba wonke jikelele. Bafethu, we are coming to you live from eHaya Food for Life emfihlweni section eThembisa e1632. So bafethu, as always ngiyacava ku-passenger city akenzeki ngivaye ngiyi-1, so ngihlale ngiphethe abantu abathopu, abantu engicavayo ukuthi nizo-enjoya i-journey nabo. So I believe by now you already know igama usiya Camp Snatch, the one and only umdrayiseni wasekasi eThembisa 1632. So bafethu, ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for Mr. Thulane Kuo. Mr. Thulane, sir.
Marcus.
Great leadership.
Sharp leadership.
Welcome to Quantum Podcast.
No, thank you for having me, sir.
Yeah, siyabonga kuzivakashela.
Sure.
So are you ready to rank nathi?
No, ashayipele mfethu.
All right. Thina abantu bethu mfethu abekho rude yabo. Abantu abacava umthetho ngithola.
Yeah.
So abathanda ukuhamba nabantu abangabacabi ngithola.
Sure.
So before siyakuthi nje sicela usitshele ukuthi ubani uThulane.
All right, igama uThulane Kwaho.
Oh, it's Kwaho.
Kwaho, yes.
Okay, sure.
I know it sounds Chinese, but yeah, it's Sotho. That's how to Kuo.
It's Kwaho.
Yeah, no, it's Kwaho.
Sure.
Yeah, ukhulele eThembisa, born and bred, battered la eThembisa. Ufunde la eThembisa. Impilo yami nje it's Thembisa based. So uThulane is a born again child of God first and foremost. Thulane is a husband, Thulane is a son, Thulane is a brother, Thulane umalume, Thulane is a community developer, a community leader, Thulane is a youth leader, Thulane is a social entrepreneur. When I sum it up, Thulane is someone who's passionate about young people. Thulane is someone who's passionate about development yasekasi. Thulane is passionate about our future generations. Thulane is passionate about uNkulunkulu. Thulane is passionate about business, even though I don't have a business yet. But Thulane is passionate about anyone doing or making a positive impact to someone, even if it's one person. So yeah, in a nutshell, just briefly, Thulane.
All right. Out of 1632.
Yeah, out of 1632. Khulele like Lokshi.
So usakhuluma ngendaba yokukhula uthi take us through your upbringing.
So I grew up eMtheung, kwaGogo. You know, like Lokshini, we grew up umama ngihlala kaGogo, nabomalume, it's just a big family.
Uthi mthina sazi ukuthi bathi kwaGogo ezona. Hayi kwaGogo eMtheung.
No, sikhulele kaGogo mfethu.
Sure.
Ngafunda primary Sotlwana, went to Thembisa High School, which is now known as Thembisa SOS. I matriculated there. Nami, I was one of the typical Kasi boys. Grew up a township, wanted to explore impilo, you know, fell into peer pressure. Nami fell into bad influences. Nami, I was a bad influence at some point. But yeah, Tulani grew up playing soccer, big time, played soccer. big
Hayi
time.
likufanele i-discount yami.
No, ngitswemi mfethu
Shit,
ngidlala
Bomis.
central midfield.
Bomisi.
Bengasinge
Ushaya
sibeka
nange-height
gijima,
yakamisi.
ngisha nje ngephasi nje ngilibamba la phakathi.
Ama-1-2 into zawo.
Ama-1-2 nje, short passes abantu abangaziyo sikhule sidlala lapha eSikwethu ngasemklareni. So yeah.
Hayi umuntu asethembisa. Caba nama-square 2.
Yeah, no, full time.
Bodlalelani?
Ngidlalele iGlory FC, which then was renamed into City Stars.
Ngicabanga.
I-Tigers ngayidlalela kancane.
Oh, udlalile naku-Tigers?
Yeah, kancane.
Oh, shit bomnandi.
Yeah,
Tigers
no.
angekani noma ubani.
Ngidlalele kancane, but yeah, I grew up elokishini. Did whatever that guy yasekasi goes through when you grow up in the township.
Okay. Bekwenzakalani eKasi makhula wena? Yini into ekhumbulayo from your childhood memories?
Well, masikhula la elokishini, I know there was a lot of sporting events. Netball back then was famous, soccer, amabash. Yeah, when I was in
Sikelele
high
kuma
school,
street
yeah,
bash.
sikelele kuma street
Umnandi
bash.
kaSesh.
Yeah, yabona. So sikhule kunama street bash. That's when we started exploring alcohol. That's when we started exploring smoking. Yabo ubhema. That's when we started exploring girls. Obvious. So yeah, but yeah, that's the story. And then yeah, sikhule kanjalo elokishini, you know, it was that. Skola, kudlala ama-dice, gambling, sikhule kanjalo. You know, sikhule admiring ama-Grootmani, abeyigebengu at that time. So yeah.
Wonke umuntu ohlala la kuPassenger sithi ukhuluma into eyi-1 ukuthi ukhula admire ama-Grootmani boyigebengu.
Because back then it seemed lavish, you know, ukuthi abantu bahleli ngey'moto ey'durayo bagcoke kahle, beautiful women, you know, baphethe imali, baphuza utshwala obudurayo. So it seemed attractive at that time. It seemed like this is the life we want, not, you know, but even though some of us never pursued criminal activities, but you just wanted the results at some point. I want to be like that. You want to be famous. You don't care how fame comes, but you just wanted to be famous. And then, yeah, that's how we got to Alukpuza, Uchwala, Nje, Saba, Nje. Even though it was not an everyday thing, but when you were at high school, you would skip school, Ushamtangala, Nyopuza, you know, just for fun. After matric, you know, the freedom. No musahlala endlini sebaguy back room. Now you have a freedom. No one monitors you to corner uko. So you are able to go out your pools. So yeah, that was a life like lokishini esikhule kuyo. Today we are where we are because of some of the decisions we made back then.
Okay. So ukhulume highlighting i-point important kakhulu yama-kasi back room. Yabo. So yini lento beyenza ukuthi sibone ngathi achievement lento le. Because of eKasi noma usipana grand wena washaya iroom elintswembu lapha kini hayi. You made it in life. Back then, not now.
Yeah, back then. You know why? Because I'm sure, as I mentioned at first, sikhule nabo gogo.
Okay.
Yabo sibaningi abomalume, so abanye balala ekitchen, abanye balala ema-dining room, abanye yabona mix up la ekamereni eli-1. So you know, once you build that back room,
Achievement.
Achievement enkulu ngathi uthenga indlu.
Yeah.
We achievement.
Plus awukazi wa-own bedroom. I mean awukazi wa-own bedroom elifini yakho.
Elifini yakho, you don't know that freedom.
Sure, wena bolala e-dining room.
Bolala e-dining room. Bakhile bela ukokote mawubuye late. So now that freedom of having your
mawubambile mele uboleke i-room.
Hey, you only stay.
Ebare kasi bekunobuntu ne?
Yeah,
Dala sibhekelana.
Dala sibhekelana. Nanoma ungasiza into mawusibheka today. But yeah.
Mara ugel nawe uyavuma uyazi le room akuselapha
akanankingi. Ofika la ugel angafuni ukungena.
Eish.
Abodala jike emnyama.
Isali yo. Sometimes umjita umgaye nechoko ukuthi akuboleke i-room.
Or umjita eze 5 minutes wena uqeda ungena usathi. Abuye room la kade hayi bethu.
Isikhathi sakho siphelile.
Wena khani uhlala esitulweni.
Isali.
So that was the life.
Yeah.
Sikhule ngayo la lokishini. We were fortunate to grow in the 90s and the early 2000s. So that was beautiful.
Yeah.
It has its own moments. Yeah.
Yeah, masikhuluma makasi stories sikhuluma ngento enje.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely raw.
Sure.
Raw kasi stories.
Yeah.
We never played soccer teenager.
Sure.
Yeah, when we went to play
Big achievement.
achievement udlala emhlaring nasemakhulweni.
Emakhulu besibiza ngeJanlu.
Yeah, besibiza ngeJanlu. Yeah, but we achievement mawungaye udlala nabo we achievement.
Sayikhumbula isimba.
Isimba.
Yeah.
Hey.
Awuthi badlala isimba mfethu. Hayi, awuthi yami lapha mina mfethu singidlalela isimba sijima eJanlu.
Yeah, sijima eJanlu.
Oh, ubona ngathi la uthi siyiphumelele. Wena usajima la eDustin.
Wena usaseDustin.
Baba gatekeepers isimba, abahalela blind.
Siya na ubuya kude.
Nje mina ngikhumbula I think we were 12. uGeorge Maluleka uyava uye eFrance nje esimhalela sonke awuthi yami ngiyakhumbula abuya shaya into zeDanone mfethu sonke sithi mfethu umjita sekaphumelele sekapopile because vele abantu amajita esikhule nawo yangithola yeah and vele like mina opposite nasekhaya lapha kagogo kaGeorge yabo so vele ngumjita vele bekanokuzwakala sigime sonke idisk and stuff so manje uyambona ushaya into zeDanone mfethu uyahalela umjita bekafly awuthi yami ukuthi uva engetaxi aya la eFNB Stadium uflyile
Amshela sendlini bakubhekile ukuthi kanti wena yini kanti uyinkomo
ile pressure bengekho kangaka uthi ngithola yeah and futhi I don't know i-disc man bekuyi-disc besazi ukuthi uJerry Skhosana uphumelele ngithola bebengekho bha abantu abaphumelele like us so bengena pressure bemele ube teaser or nurse or ihata yabo yiyo ama career wakhona lawo bakuphushela la but enough about that athi yami besagaya abantu i-background yabo i-foundation yakaThulani ukuthi sibone ukuthi uThulani ubuyaphi yabo so kunesithombe uthanda ukusiposta ku-social media ngoba so i-highlight indaba yotshwala yabo uthanda ukusiposta ukuthi before and after yabo upost isithombe sakho uphethe ibhodlela ngathi ubuhlabile and stuff so poste manje uyinceke ushaya isudu kahle kahle yiphi message ozama ukuyisenda ngaleso sithombe normal mawusipost
grace musa nje kaNkulunkulu I'm just trying to show abantu ukuthi life has to transform at some point. Life has to transform. And transformation, I'm not speaking about outward transformation. I'm just trying to send a message ukuthi it starts inward and then ibonakala ngaphandle. You understand? I'm just trying to show abantu the grace, especially the grace of salvation. Because that's the foundation of that picture.
Sure.
That picture, that's the foundation. Apart from salvation, that picture doesn't exist. That picture won't exist. No matter how much I can try to Photoshop or edit, that picture will not stand the test of time. You understand? Because I'm just trying, I grew up in Lokshini, Puzang Groover, is famous in those days, you understand? But people never thought I'd be the Thulani I am today. I'm just trying to show people who understand it's just grace. It's not Thulani Wayenza something. It's just God's grace upon his life. That's the message I'm sending. You don't have to remain the way you are. uNkulunkulu khona and then nomusa ukhona.
uNkulunkulu if umchangile uThulani nawe angakushintsha.
Nawe angakushintsha. God can save just anyone. If ashintshe mina, you know, abantu don't believe when bahlangana nami. Ngithanda ukubhema ugwayi kakhulu. Notshwala bengikuthanda kakhulu. I used to say mina claim ukuthi I'll never quit alcohol. I used to say that but I mean ngeke.
SAP ayi lose customer la.
Ngithi ngeke.
Nje makusindisa wena SAP lose customer elikhulu.
Nawo manje. Ukuthi yabo. So yeah, but I'm just trying to send that message, especially to the young ones. Because I'm passionate about young people.
If
God can save me, he can save you. And when you can know about God, the earlier the better.
So mawukhuluma ngegrace ukhuluma ngani because of abantu abathanda ukusebenzisa kakhulu igama legrace abantu abafana nami nawo abasindisiwe but iquantum akusiya yabazalwane kuphela yawonke umuntu. So yini grace according to your own definition?
Grace is being given what you don't deserve. That's the explanation of grace. It's being given something that which you don't deserve and you can't just be quiet about it. You understand? You like now umangela ukuthi mina this No. That's not possible.
Okay.
But it locates electorally.
Sure.
You understand? Totally long iPhone.
Oyigrace awuyifuni wena. It locates you.
It locates you. Ifuna wena. And once it grabs you, baba, there's no turning back. There's no turning back that easily. Yes, life can take you through ups and downs, but there's that grace in you. We are Yah's way.
Okay.
So yeah, that's in simplicity how best I can try to.
Sure. That's why I say in your own definition. Because omunye nomunye angayi-explaina or ayi-define ngendlela yakhe.
Ngendlela yakhe, that's
Sure. So uThulani usindiswa nini? Because mina nawe sihlangane Faith Mission. Sasithola sisi-leadership sonke.
Uthulani usindiswa 2017. Late 2016, early 2017. So I just say 2017.
Okay.
Yeah, Uthulani usindiswa 2017.
Yo! It feels like ngathi kudala ngikwazi.
Now it feels like ngathi kudala ngasindiswa.
Ne?
Yeah, it feels like that. Ngathi kudala even people say that. And it's just grace.
Okay.
Yabo? That's why ngithi mayingakubamba. You can't turn back.
Sure.
You can't just turn back. So I got saved 2017. My life changed. Yeah.
Yashintsha kanjani impilo yakho? Can you go into details?
Firstly, when I got saved, there's one thing I was told when I got saved in those early days.
Okay.
I need to proclaim one. 2, I need to detach from abantu bengiphila nabo
Okay.
before I got saved.
Okay.
Not hate them, but just detach myself from them.
Sure.
Distance myself.
Sure.
Uh,
It's the same thing abakutshela yona ngapha rehab.
exactly. You know, angeke ukuthi uphume rehab still uhambe nabantu indawo la kubhenyelwa khona.
Uzobuyela.
Uzobuyela.
You relapse.
Yabo. So, fortunately utshwala bese ngibiyekile mangisindiswa.
Okay.
Because utshwala ngabiyeka 2011. Ngingaphathi sharp.
Okay.
Sengifike kule ndawo ukuthi abasangiphathi sharp. Mhlambe angazi benimthandazela abazalwane.
Yo ingakho na ukhuthele ukuthandazela abantu kangaka. Ngoba uyazi nawe sike sakuthandazela.
Ngibona after kade ayithandazela abazalwane.
Sure.
Yabo. Okay, sharp ngabuyeka utshwala, but I kept on struggling with cigarettes. Yabo. And in 2017 I get saved in Sape. Yabo. So I'm trying to distance myself, but you know I'm justifying with apha angiphuzi, you know. Ngiyahamba ngegroove namajita bayaphuza, I don't drink. Ngiyaba driver, sober driver, they are safe. Sunday I wake up, I go to church. But now I go to church, I'm exhausted. Ngiyalala makushumayela and I feel bad. Like ngisesontweni ngilele ngikatsele yabo. Then I stop going out. I'm like, angikho. I always give excuses. But now I'm being discipled. I'm being told these things over and over again. Ngeke uhambe nabantu bohamba nabo, ngeke ukhulume le nto bozikhuluma. I start distancing myself.
Okay.
And ngathi noNkulunkulu was doing something because nempilo yakushaya ngapha, but you know you persevere, you like whatever ngizobona. You know, as long as I'm going to church. At that time when sindisiwe but awuka understand, ngisho saseyibheki.
Sure.
Yabo sanda kusindiswa sanda kuzalwa. So you don't know. So but then a friend of mine uTumi 2011 lo rana ilona swipe. Yeah. 2011.
If it's still silethele out to
ngizomletha definitely. Uyezwa.
Sure.
CEO, you must be here.
Sure.
Uze ngescoot.
Ezokala ngescooter. And angizi empty-handed.
Awuveza sanidelivery kuhle.
Sure.
Yabo. uTumi 2011 approaches me ukuthi let's start a newspaper.
Okay.
Yabo angasindiswa ngerenzi, but I just quit alcohol. Like bengisaphuza but just about it. Siqala newspaper. The newspaper now is the one that opens me up to the realities of our township.
Tembisa News.
Tembisa News.
Okay.
It now opens me up to the reality.
So you were part of Tembisa News?
Yes, my God.
Yeah, it's a small world, yeah?
uTumi is the
We're
founder.
co-founder.
He approached
That's a new information.
maybe 3 or 4 of us, his friends. Said, I want to do this. But he had already compiled research and he knew what he wanted.
Okay.
Even the name. Yabo.
Uspana Uspul.
Yeah, uSiphula vele uyigibela inqola say
Okay.
And then we started the newspaper. We had no money. We had to look for adverts to print even the first We postponed the article, we kept, but until we found a client that was willing to go 3 months, Nati, and we managed to print. But that opened me up to the harsh realities, growing up in the township.
Okay.
You understand? It opened me up to that. It opened me up to orphanage homes. That's when I realized that no, there's more to life than what I thought. Ukuthi kumele ngigroove ubumnandi amantombazana, nice clothes, and you know, abantu bayahlupheka la ngaphandle. Abantu bayakufonela bafuna lokhu naloku because you are a journalist / marketing. Phela we did everything. We did everything. We had journalists coming in, students who had just completed or who were still in college, and then we had to learn how they wrote, and so that makangekho because we couldn't pay, we would step in.
Bengena AI lesikhathi.
Kungana AI, we would step
Maye
in.
ungasibhalela article uthi ChatGPT ikulungisele editele fast.
Editele fast.
Sure. Lesikhathi bengekho yonke.
Hey, at some point, kuma credits, I was the editor. You understand? But that opened me up to life as a Lokshi,
Yeah.
to more deeper things that were happening.
Sure.
And I got that passion to love to volunteer. That's when I started the orphanage homes that we were reaching out to. Then we started assisting them, spreading them.
Abobula mahlo. Ngiyabona nama sasifana naye.
Mahlo, abo Tsepang Kesset.
Yeah, nithepha ngihlala ngibona ipost. Sure.
Yes. Because one of my classmates, she's the founder.
Oh, now it makes sense.
Yes. So
Sure.
she organized a metric reunion yet. Then when I asked her what she was doing, she told me, no, we have a newspaper. Let's profile you.
Okay.
Yabo? That's when I went there for small say, yeah, better that. But now it's better.
Okay.
It's way better. When
Sure.
you know, you want to leave, the kids are crying now. When they're thinking of going back emakhaya abo lapha eMkhukhwini. But then that opened
Yeah,
me
next
up.
time nami mangishaya ama-charity wami sengizo-target bona.
Yeah, ngizowisa that.
Yeah, ngizocabanga bona manje. Yabona ukuthi ama-conversation are so important.
Yes, you know, and then it opened me up to that. Ebula mahlo, umagogo, umasihobela, bengingena i-crash sasemncane.
Okay.
We are from the same street until.
Oh, thina masala kagogo dabi crash yabelu. Oh, ilezi pro-kid bekaringa ngaso. Mina mangiphusha imoto yesitini nophusha ikari remote.
I love being pushed still. So umagogo usikhulisile umasihobela. Then she started Ibula Mahlo. When we went there, Mama, she no longer had a crash.
Sure.
She was now taking care of orphan kids.
Okay.
Which was great transformation now.
Sure.
Great impact she was making in the community.
Yeah.
And then we helped her and we volunteered quite a lot. We did a lot of work. So that's where the passion came from and what. And then 2016, ngezwe ivangeli ngasindiswa.
Ivangeli uthola kanjani uthe?
Ivangeli ngilithola ngokuvakasha esontweni. Yabo, ivangeli I got it through visiting.
Who invited you?
Umamkhulu wami bekasonto Faith Mission.
Oh.
So bengithi mangifuna inyuku, ufuna imali. Ngishayekile, not go there. Yabo, ngiye ngivakashe, she'll be happy angikayiclipa.
Okay.
Give me money.
Sure.
So
now ufuna inyuku yare 60 years uyabuya.
Yeah, I'm like, ngiphethe ibhadi, I need to go there ngiyovakasha. Kanti mawuloku uya kancane izwi mawuloku ushunyayelwa nini I don't know. God just makes you to listen at some point.
Marushilo already what grace yakulocate.
Yakulocate, you understand? So at some point nini sengisindisiwe. Papa, how? Hey, mina. Yabona? But ngisase ngapha nangapha emhlabeni, you know. But then I had to make a decision with where am I? So now I came to God made me realize that there's nothing I can do.
Okay.
Putting me right now.
Sure.
It's just grace. Only He can fix me. Only He can change me and give me a new life.
Okay.
Yeah, but so when I became passionate about the community, I started volunteering. I was pushing newspaper, Iwa, but I continued volunteering. I continued hlangana no baba bachudondo wase library lapha endaweni. You know, we did a lot of community work.
Yamazi babukhanyile wase library.
Yeah, Nyamazi. Yes,
the late.
Nyamazi, the late, yes. Wala, Elon. Ile yasendayeni.
Yena bekase Rabasuthu. Sure.
So, and then Fast forward, because of I love the community work, someone said, why don't you formalize what you're doing? Yeah, well, yes, you love community work. Yes, you don't do it for publicity. You get it. But you have an influence.
Okay.
And you need to be found. You can't do community work and you are not found. People don't know who you are.
Okay.
There are resources. You need to register ENPO.
Okay.
That's when I founded Izithelo Zenkosi Foundation. I'm also the founder of ENPO.
All right, siyabuya ke NPO out yami. Sesele indaba ebuzalwane. Ikuba ngapha nangapha. Ngisho sifuna ukusiza abantu.
Yeah, that's
Yabo.
true.
So ikuba ngapha nangapha. So first of all, do you remember the dates you said? Abantu abaningi bayalazi lelo langa le.
Yeah, and I feel bad that I don't.
Okay.
Sometimes. Hey, why don't I remember the date? But maybe I was overwhelmed.
Okay.
Yabo.
So kulento yokuthi ube ngapha nangapha phuma kanjani? Uthi ugcina so straight. So lo thula nesimaziyo manje siphila naye.
Okay, let me first start here. Angisho ngisabhema mangisindiswa.
Okay.
But angiphuzi.
Sure.
Nginemoto.
Okay.
Hey, I stop ukubhemela emotweni. Nika abazalwane lifts. So at church, after church, anyone can say, hey, sicela ukuthi sikhapele labantu if imoto inokugwayi, you know. Mangithenga ugwayi emakuleni ngihlangana nomzalwane. And angakathengi. Nangu lo mzalwane. Sengithenga ama-chippies. Mina bengifuna ugwayi. Sengiphila kabuhlungu. You know, God will put it in you. Will convict you.
Okay.
Uphila kabuhlungu. Then you realize that no, man, I can't. Now you have a family that you've declared your faith to. They hold you accountable.
Okay.
Your friends you've declared your faith to. They hold you accountable.
Okay.
Once you tell about tsibili. Sazilithulane umuntu wethu. Le out yami.
Bekathi uzophelela.
Uzophelela lapha. Thulani siyamazi, you understand? So some friends are supposing, but when you want to shaya nyana too, they don't. They want nikude but mara washaya wine. You understand? And you drink wine. Now available ikhale. It's not their influence.
Sure.
Now we feel uvulela umnyango. Ufuna support.
Yeah.
Yabo? But then I realized ukuthi no, I can't.
Okay.
Ngiyakhathala. Bazalwane bayakhuthaza, started attending midweek services. Kakhulu ngisizwe ukattenda midweek services.
Okay.
Prayer, youth Bible study, youth service, a faith mission. When I started attending those, now I no longer have time. Was ukuthi angeke uye lapho ukugwayi wenzeni. So qala udla ama sweet. I'm trying to quit. Ukubhema ugwayi ngadla ama stock sweets. You know, I tried my best ngiwa ngivuka. Mara sengibhema less and less. So kushayilanga ngabhema ngikhohliwe. Ukhumbula le angibhema sengiyagijima. Ngiyawuthenga mara mangithi ngiyabhema so uyangidizzy nyana ngithi hayi no, let me quit this thing. But I ended up by God's grace ngayeka. But then also the love for God started to increase. Because esontweni sebaya kusebenzisa. Come be the program director. Come awashumayeli, come be the program, come be this, come be that. So now you're starting now to feel as part of the family. Nami ngathi ngibalulekile la.
Okay.
You know, without me ngathi la kuzolekha kancane. So I need to be there. Yabo? Ngastart again ngathi no, I want to join sound team.
Okay.
Ngathi hayi mara mina ngifuna ukuguga ipick. So that helped me a lot.
Okay.
That helped me a lot to move away from the world. Now to fully focus ezintweni zikaNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Yeah, helped me a lot.
Asikhulume nge-youth service awuthami. There's no way ukuthi as a former youth leader ngahlala ngakhuluma nge-youth service. Yabo. So because of obvious mina nama sihlangana I was a youth leader, especially a forum. Then you took over after me. Okay, so i service idlale irole engakanani empilweni yakho?
Another youth, you know, youth service also Nama Youth Forum.
Okay.
It encouraged me to see brothers like you because Nina, I could relate. I could tell this is my age group.
Okay.
Yabo?
Understand.
Kanti kunamajita alingana asindisiwe ukuriviwa kangaka la ngaphandle. You understand?
Sure.
I'm like, hi man, no man. That means it's possible for me too. That was what when you don't know when you're a chairperson in forum.
Sure.
You don't know what impact you are making to people. By just nje ukubona. Kunamajita agcoka amasuit. Amajita besithi amabhala.
Yeah.
Thina singabo-clan.
Sure.
You understand? Now I'm part of these guys and I feel free. And now it's possible. Naba bakhona.
Okay.
You understand? So ama-youth service nami, a church, played a huge role because even brothers younger than me,
Sure.
they discipled me and taught me the way.
Abobuhle.
Abobuhle,
Because I remember uthole bona.
events,
Yo,
Nkosinathi,
events.
Mfundisi Ndlovu,
Sure.
you know, they are the ones that taught me the way. Oh, Pastor John,
Yeah,
you know, who
yeah.
discipled
I'm a
me during
veteran
the
ke
week.
lawa.
Yeah.
Alawa ama-veteran.
Ama-veteran.
Nathi sibathole khona. Nami ngimthole ku-youth.
Yeah, you understand? So those, you guys, yini eningikhuthaze kakhulu. Some I did not even have to speak to. Bengakhulumi nawo.
Sure.
You know, you were a bit distant because we chairperson ukubona once a month.
Yeah.
Or manivakashile esontweni, you know, those years I didn't know you guys, but I was like, unamajita. I know.
Yo.
Mangibheka amajita la ngibuya nawo mina, ngeke bayicabanga.
Yeah, shout out to that out here because of especially shout out to Umamgwenya Olirato.
Yes.
Because of I remember mina ngithe mangichecka i-youth yami ukuthi iyakhula ama-program wethu because there were people that joined our pages. They inboxed me yabo bathi kimi, we love your programs, please don't stop posting them yabo. Then I was like, okay, shit, ama-program wethu I inspire abanye abantu yabo.
Yeah.
Because of omunye wangitshela sithi ukuthi mina ngiyawakopa then ngo-apply esontweni la
Yeah.
yabo. Then I told my team ukuthi okay, let's make sure ukuthi page lethu li-active, post almost every week yabo. Then ngafonela uLerato ngathi, I want to visit your church with my youth. Please mobilize your youth. Savumelana ngoba nelanga sayibiza besibiza ngani combined service. Besibiza nge-combined youth service yabo. It's just the way nje ngalithola nje because bengazibiza ngani yabo. So sahamba sa fellowship ne youth yase West. Then people they enjoyed. Nama picture khona ngisesenawo up to this day.
Wow.
The first service sabana. So people they enjoyed and stuff like in then ngafonela uJune.
Yeah.
Ngakhuluma noLerato ngathi thina nani singahlangana sivakashela i-youth yasePhumlo yabo. Savumelana noJune. After lapho masihlangana lama-church ayi-3 sibona ukuthi lento iyasebenza then sacala kanjalo forum.
Oh, that's
Then I
great.
was like, okay, guys, let's start a youth forum. Then sacala sa-invite wonke ama-faith mission wasethembisa because of obviously yabo namanamba wabo bonke vele because of like abanye ngikhule nabo abanye baphuma khona lakithi yabo. So we called almost all of them like Bread of Life, like wonke they was ngakhona yabo. So that's how we started the forum. But the point yami ukuthi if umuntu ofana noLerato mangikhuluma naye azange ayivume lento le ngabazange ngizakala.
Yeah, that's true. Nami mangifika Faith Mission, she was one of the youth leaders.
Sure.
Safikela kuye vele.
Sure.
Safikela phezu kwakhe. And look, today where it is, it's growing, and
We thank God for that.
Yeah.
Thank God. And thank God for you guys, which you are still holding it down. Especially mine, you're born in Captain Park in Joini, you manage to
Yes.
recruit Captain Park. And also, Nagu reaching and born in
yeah,
very
it's being recognized.
because of obviously, well, by the grace of God, I managed to be chairperson in the region. I remember Pastor Jonah, he was very excited that finally we have a rep from Itimbi.
Sembisi, yeah.
I didn't even know. Kunezinye izinto masenzakala into khuluma ngayo ukuthi iGrace yakulocate.
Yes.
Because I remember us going to the elections, then I understanding nix. Ukuthi kuyenzakalani? I thought nje I'm there to represent my youth, and now I'm part of the people. I was part of the elections and stuff. So, but anyway, this is not about me. This is about you. I'm going to get that from first school.
Yeah, no.
Sure.
She did
Sure.
great.
Because of it's important. I mean, I want to give people their flowers.
Yeah, definitely. Basapi.
Sure. Kubaluleke kakhulu. So Thami ngisakhuluma ngokunikeza abantu ama flowers abo. Kunento ohlala uyenza sikhulume ngayo last time noShimi. What motivates you to black people?
One thing, I believe ukuthi I'm in no competition with anyone.
Okay.
Recently, example, we've been nominated for Amatemsa Awards.
Sure.
Big ups to Quantum.
Shout out.
Best podcast.
Sure.
Best podcast.
Awe.
So, I've been nominated for Best NPO. Easy tell. There are other people who are nominated for Best NPO. I share that.
Jeez,
Why?
I always see you doing
Yes. We are not in competition. We are complementing each other.
that. Sure, must have.
This is a puzzle.
Yeah.
You understand? Everyone is a piece into the puzzle.
Sure.
So, a piece yami, I compete in a piece yami.
Sure.
That's fun. They're unique, but they make part of the same puzzle because we want to see ourselves doing better, and we want to make an impact, and we want to see other people
Sure.
getting better and making an impact as well.
Sure.
So that's why on social media I compete with nobody. I share everyone. Na noma lo muntu angathi akazwani nawe, but if he's doing into enhle, ngizomshare. Abantu bangangigwatheli. You understand?
Sure.
Mina ngizoyishare as long as that person, it's not dramatic.
Mm.
As long as it's not scandals. Ukuthi makacabane nawe manje yena they are scandalous.
Sure,
Whatever, you
sure.
know. And then kune danger, life threats, then I wouldn't.
Okay.
Yebo. But if it's just nje ukuthi umuntu udlela umona ngepodcast ngequantum, naye une podcast but they're doing good work, I'll just share the work because
Okay.
yena uzo reach abantu wena ngeke uba reach.
Most def. We did likewise. That's why recently we invited Mfanele to become
Exactly.
a guest here.
Yeah,
Just to also show people ukuthi asikho competition. We complement each other.
And I was happy mangibona.
Sure.
Naye le Thembisa siyifuna ukuyakha.
Sure. Yeah. Unity.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's we complement one another.
Mm.
That's why I'm free to plug anyone, anywhere.
Yeah.
La ngingafinyelela khona.
And now I want to apply social media kuphela because of there are a couple of gigs that you gave me. Thola a call from abantu. I got your number from Mitulane. I'm looking for a camera guy. He recommended you, and I trust him. I know ukuthi angeke recommend umuntu ongawazi umsebenzi. So like ngizama ukuveza enye point ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi I was plugging social media kuphela. You even mention our names kuma offices.
Yeah.
Or kuma platforms agrand.
I mean, if I'm not umuntu ama camera nama podcast and
Sure.
sound and
Sure.
you understand. I can't force it. If kuvela opportunity bese ngithi no ngizoqhasha yini no, I can't do that. It's not my area of expertise.
Sure.
Mine is to recommend.
Okay.
And I recommend Usiya because I know Siya can do it.
Sure. Most def.
There are a lot of people I know who do sound and cameras, but I check the work and I'm like, okay, yeah, but akakafiki la.
Okay.
Ngeke ngimrecommende la.
Okay.
Because laphaya abadlali. And because when you recommend someone as well, my reputation is at
reputation is
stake,
at stake, yeah.
yabo? So I need to be careful ukuthi who do I recommend
Okay.
where. And I check passion yomuntu nespan and I'm like, see, I know he's been doing this for years. Yabona? Yes, I'm a podcast into zamanje, but he's been doing this work, camera and sound and whatnot and media
Sure.
for years.
Sure, most
So umuntu okuqala engimcabanga.
Sure.
If ENCA were someone from ENCA were to call me and say we are looking to partner with a local media, I'd call Mfanele. I'd recommend
Yes.
Thembisa online.
Yes, true.
You know,
Yeah.
it's what he does. It's his daily food. Yabo, so
And they excel, abuy.
and we are excellent.
Sure. Yeah.
So I'm not somebody or computer who's jealous or anything like that. I hope so. I hope I'm not ringing my own bells.
No. I'll tell you. Shout out to you, Mfeti, for doing that, for being a true leader. Because that is leadership. Yabo. Leadership siyibona kanjalo. Umuntu onama leadership skills simbona kanjalo. If uzobona omunye umuntu one potential njenge competitor kuye, then lo muntu akasi leader lo.
Yeah, no, you can't be a leader like that.
Uzobakhuluma kanjani abantu?
You can't.
You see.
Shoot when whatever you do will die because
Yeah.
you don't
Awuna
want
success,
to share what
Amos.
God gave you. Yeah,
You don't want to share the skill.
exactly.
Yeah.
And whatever we know, we know it freely. God
Sure.
gives all things free.
Sure.
Whatever I know today is because God gave me these things I know free for me to use them to impact other people and
Okay.
empower.
Asikhulume nge-NPO Tim.
Sure.
So uye wayithasha kancane but asiqale phansi nje. So yini i-NPO yakho? Why lelo gama? Why izithelo? And ibuyaphi? And what is your vision?
The NPO is Izithelo Zenkosi Foundation.
Sure.
It's attached to my faith as well.
Okay.
Yeah, Izithelo we know it's fruits. And then Lenkosi le uJesu. So I do what I do because of Christ. I believe it's what God calls me to do,
Sure.
to impact lives.
Okay.
And when a friend suggested Usoli, it would say I should register an NPO. This is the name I thought of.
Okay.
Izithelo Zenkosi. Because one thing I believed was that uJesu wathi kubafundi bakhe athi you shall know them by their fruits.
Okay.
You understand? So i-lifestyle yomzalwane siyibona ngezithelo.
Sure.
Without izithelo, then we know ukuthi when you're just a church goer, you perform nje. Nanoma ungacula, gifts no. When gifts are good, but they are not proof of salvation.
Sure.
So Nami, that's how the name came about.
Okay.
Izithelo Zenkosi Foundation, that we will be known by what we do.
Sure.
We will be known by our fruits.
About fruits, yeah.
Yeah, that's how the name came about. It was inspired by the word of God. Yeah, and then I registered the NPO. We registered the NPO with Abosisi Basesontweni and one brother. Brother Bukamuso, no sister Esam, no sister Olwam.
Okay.
But Olwam has since resigned from the NPO. She wanted to pursue other things.
Okay.
So then I registered the NPO, the Department of Social Development. We registered the NPO. We launched the NPO last year in one of our annual events, Career in Entrepreneurship Expo Day, that we host yearly in June. Last year, May 8th, we launched the NPO, and the NPO is fully registered in a PPO, tax clearance, so tax exemption rather, that's what they call them for our non-profit organizations.
Okay.
But it's for the same reason, Yogoti, I need to be located, people need to know where to find me, and it's something that I told even Nama office bearers, the founders that
you just mentioned, yeah.
Uguti, this should exist beyond our existence. That's why we register it.
Okay.
I mean, I'm sure umuntu oke wa register Coca-Cola, API Dala, I'm sure akasaphinda.
Most have.
You understand?
Sure.
But it's still in existence.
Sure.
That's the power of having a brand.
Okay.
So I thought, no, this is something that must exist and make an impact beyond my existence or anyone's existence that started this. So also that we should be seen and be visible and be able to access even the resources that are out there. Because when a resource, you can't access if you are not registered.
Sure.
I mean, if Usia wants to donate 500 rands towards a certain project, how will he do it if he needs to do record keeping? So yeah, that's basically, in short, why we started the NPO.
The mission and vision?
The vision, in short, it's a youth focused NPO. We want to see young people being transformed.
Okay.
We want to see young people making the right decisions the first time.
Okay.
I want the right decision, so when I'm a put.
Sure.
There's nothing wrong when I'm a putter, you learn. So long as you learn and you pick yourself up and make the right decisions. But I believe in life, it's possible to make the right decisions the first time. It's highly possible. I have friends I can point to in Kulenabo. When we were doing all these other things we spoke about, alcohol and whatever, they made the right decisions with Bayafunda and and today more Impilo Zabo. You can tell they don't need to recover. They don't need to, I always say yes, you can. There are 100 chances in life. Second chance, third chance. But those chances come with consequences.
Most have.
They are not going away. You understand? Those chances come with consequences. The consequences are not going away. You'll have to face the same consequences as you grow.
Sure.
And so I want young people to make the right decision the first time, especially in their early teenage and youth stage.
Sure.
Yeah, I don't want to learn our mistakes. The best way, a friend of mine says, the best way to learn our mistakes is that you should learn from others.
Sure.
Your story, your lesson.
Sure.
Yeah, my story, your lesson.
That's powerful.
Yeah.
That's powerful.
It mentors young boys. So, it tells them my story, your lesson. Then you don't have to go through what I did.
Siyabonga bafethu. Now we came to the end of today's episode. Sesifike ku destination. Yaqaba bafethu iquantum lila livaya wire. Ifike egcineni liphahake awuthanda. Yocheckisa. So that's it from me, your boy Sia Cam. All I can say is Itawola.